Yeah, and me again. It's because the women's people them did grow me with manners. Good night, good morning. Me not care when you know want to see the video. Who want like it, who don't want like it, fuck who know. Because I not stop talk the truth. And the fun out there they talk about makeup on though. I not feel wear makeup because I want pretty blood clot black girl. Me never born in a makeup. Yes. And what about me bad mind mackerel? Oh please, me need to know my profile and my blood clot background. Me don't need to bad mind mackerel. I don't need to bad mind mackerel because you see a mouth here. You see that pussy where God bless me with. Not within my house, mackerel can't buy it. And if you are sponsor money, the share get, can't buy it neither. That money for turn. Because there's something in life that say, when time somebody says something out of their mouth, you must believe it or you not believe it. But mackerel, I can record everything that mackerel tell me when we did the Mary's Child facility. Mackerel diss me, mackerel can't diss me because mackerel can't look like me no day no time. And number one, my father no fuck me off because mackerel baby must call her sister mommy because her father breed and she chat it out her mouth say her father molest her and she get pregnant. And all them money we come on YouTube, Facebook about mackerel baby father, none of them are mackerel baby father, mackerel father and baby father. You know what I know? I'm not be really proud of myself, you know, because guess what, you see my work? I make me can pay my rent. Yes, I sell pussy because me not give it free. Me prefer sell it out, make it fuck out, than give it free than dead tomorrow man and can buy toothbrush, toothpaste. When I come talk about me sell pussy, yes, me sell my pussy because me not give it free. Yes, me a stripper. So me have on there, yes, I'm money pussy fatty. I'm money me I go for hustle now because rent have to pay and food have to name and body have to smell good and ear have to do a makeup have to buy. Although I don't need blood clot makeup. So make me tell you this stuff with a talk about bad mind mackerel. Mackerel can't buy nothing within my mouth. You see my mouth, I give me my TV. You see my pussy, I give me my bed. You see money I make and buy my fan and my dresser. So no one know blood clot more about bad mind mackerel. Mackerel office smell the bad mind. You can know, when sometimes people post them video and it's because when you usually get phone and you go bully them at school. When I go post when time people make them video, oh you got a bad mind, nobody know I see a bad mind. I don't need to bad mind nobody because me make my own money, me and my own boss, me go work when me feel like and when figure. So in time when I come good but bad mind mackerel. Me look like somebody with bad mind because on the we when I come my blood clot again and come with something good and hotter because mackerel can't step in my blood clot shoes because a size 10 me wear, mackerel must wear size 6. She can't fit in my blood clot shoes. Yeah? Because the one my father no fuck me up so my people can't call me mommy sister. Look you know, when you know about me, you know about me, I know about mackerel so I can blood touch chat and the more I attack it and the more I ask me bad mind. But guess what, the bitches, dogs, I don't care who wants to like me from who don't fucking like me because if you don't like me, you can't pay me rent. If you don't like me, you can't feed me. So it don't make no fucking sense. If you just see the video, if you don't comment to know, you say look bad mind, prefer not like the video them when time I make them. Nobody can contact about bad mind. Prefer not press thumbs down. Who like it and know see me tell the truth and press thumbs up because I don't need for bad mind nobody. Every time people talk truth, when they talk about people bad mind, look at how I get me irritated right now. What do I mean by bad mind? What I could have when me not have? When I look at cheap something them she get for the sponsor and they look at bed where she have to catch somebody yard. Me not have to catch nobody yard because I pussy me can't pay me blood clot rent. When you want to see it there, well sexy and all these things. When me have on when my kid can't fit in and all do God. Look at my nice self, eh? When me have on, arm clean, pussy clean, I couldn't have nothing when me blood clot want. When you go buy and me sew mechanics blood clot, you don't come again this time and come good.